Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited to announce that all this time later, all this prep later, we are finally taking the FRS to the track. I am so stoked on this. I'm meeting up with my girlfriend Bree and we're gonna do a little drift. So I'm very excited. I've never done any of the sorts. As we know, I drive front-wheel drive cars, but I'm super excited to get this thing on the track. That's literally what I've been trying to do since day one. So I'm gonna load the car up tonight, load everything I need in the truck, and then we'll be heading out there first thing tomorrow morning. Okay, so we've made it here to balcony at Willow Springs. I am super excited. We're gonna go ahead and unload the FRS and get it prepped and ready and then hit the track.
There you go.
Alright, so I have the magnificent Bree. Hello! Hopping in the car with me, showing me what I'm doing, because honestly I have no freaking idea.
You'll be alright. We'll be good.
We'll live, we'll live. Oh, there's Cam! With Cam, gonna take the 8.6 out again. Everybody's here now, all the girls, everybody's driving. Very exciting. It's honestly just us, which is super nice. Yeah, hopefully getting some more practice in and get this down at least somewhat by the end of the day. Bree's out here ready to risk her freaking life with me again. I don't know why.
It'll be great. You'll do better this time. I bet you're gonna feel way more comfortable this time now.
Oh, yeah.
You've like been in my car, you felt exactly what I was doing, you'll know, like, you'll have a little bit of a better idea.
The top came down.
You need to spray paint that helmet sparkle paint now. Go with both your cars. Although what if I gave her like I want it gone?
Okay, so both Bree and I did a couple laps.
Yep.
Finally got donuts down solid. Thank the Lord. Now Colette's going out with her Z for the first time, and it was your first time in the Z.
It was my first time in my Z, her first time in her Z, your first time in your FRS.
Yes.
And Colette's the most stock out of, no, you're the most stock.
I'm the
out of
most
all of
stock,
us.
yeah.
Yeah, Colette's
besides
got-
the seats, but that's like, we don't have seats because they all blew up in the accident.
Yeah, I think we're all on the same level of stockness because you have bucket seats and harnesses, Colette and I don't. She's got a little,
if
like,
you
a basic
evened it
angle
all
kit.
out,
Yeah.
we would all be the same.
She's got like a basic angle kit, no suspension. I have suspension and angle kit, but absolutely nothing else. So I feel like we're doing all right.
Stock with no tube.
Alrighty, here she comes. The sound of a VQ. No hesitation.
Literally stock angle. She literally barely just got on the track and she's already. Oh, that was smooth. Yes.
Just like, look at the flake in this girl's wheels. Are you kidding? Honestly, it's perfect for the car. And also, Bree's brakes have flake in them, and I'm obsessed with it.
You have the wood underneath it?
One more? Yep.
Alrighty, so we are packing up the 8.6 after a successful day drifting out balcony.
Dude, you did so good. Like, I'm so proud of you. You did such a good job.
I appreciate all of Bree's help today. She was stellar. Bree for hire. Just kidding. I don't actually think she does coaching, but
Just bring your own car and I'll teach you.
okay.
Yeah,
Well,
just
there
bring
you
your
go.
own car. It's all good.
10 of 10 would recommend. Yeah, it was a ton of fun today. Colette's just trying to figure out what's going on with her car. Bree was freaking stellar today. Her first time driving this new Z, she killed it. All the girls had an awesome track day. Also, Chris gets the best cameraman award of the day. Yes.
Girl.
Alright, FRS is loaded. Now we're gonna strap it down and then we're ready to head home. Overall, I really couldn't have asked for a better day with the FRS. This was really like the first shakedown with the car. I have no idea the reliability of it. It is not streetable whatsoever. So this was really the test of all tests. Just beating on it at this track all day, and it did great, and I'm so happy with it, and I'm very excited. Hopefully we will be coming back very soon, and maybe hitting the track for Bree's birthday. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.